Hello, Matt and Katie. Here is a quick this week video update of the community. I'm standing at the intersection here of West Holyoke and Willowbrook Way, in the cul-de-sac here, walking down to your home. Just kind of give you an idea of what's happened since the last time I did this. Okay, so we'll just turn around, do a 360. This is at the other end, cul-de-sac on the other end. And see, it's come together quite nicely. Lots of homes are up and all looking good. So walk down the street here to your house. Oh, I see some painters and see some people going in with some trim work. And like I said, we're in the interior trim stage here now. All should be fairly straightforward. No, like I said, no heavy lifting required here at this point. Just gonna look around at the yard. Driveway's been poured nicely there, nice and flat, nice level driveway. Grass on the other side. That home's ready to go. So let's walk through the home here and see what's been done up to this point. Okay. All right, through the front door. Okay, wow. Looks good. We've got flooring in. A lot of the trim work's been done here. Painting's been done. There's the office. Come along quite nicely. The dining room. Bathroom still needs some fixtures. Living room, fireplace, and okay. Still needs some countertops. But otherwise it looks good. Laundry room. Out through the okay. Pantry needs some shelving. Yard is got a rough grate on it, not a final grate yet, so of course all of that will be sodded. Okay, so let's go upstairs. The last time I think they were putting the railing in there, so we got to get some carpet in. I'm sure that's coming in the next few days. But we want all the paint and the trim work done prior to that. Upstairs in the loft. Bedroom on the left side of the loft. Let's go over here to this other bedroom. Yep, closet still neat shelving in the closet. This bedroom that's adjacent to the bathroom. Needs some countertops and fixtures. Let's walk in the primary. course, out the back window. Okay. Okay, so that's kind of a quick walkthrough. So based on what we're seeing here, don't see any issue with a November 13 close. I will check with Lucas just to confirm, and we will kind of get ready for a early November closing. All right, have a great day and talk to you later.